City, make some no strings attached.
Ay, Dios mío.
Now, this is the part that you guys should be clapping. That's not easy. That's nice. Strongest man alive. Whoa. Other way. Make some noise. Next up, we got my brother Ray Ray, all the way from Brooklyn Bridge, y'all. Let's go, Ray Ray. Let's go. Watch him. Who said tall people can't dance? 3 of us. Let's go, Ray Ray. Let's go, Ray. What the hell you doing? Wrong show, bro. Damn, you get crazy. Make him clap, everybody. Watch him. He used to be a chiropractor.